Hi everyone! I'm Lizzie and welcome back to Mama Lizzie's Kitchen. Today we will be making a homemade tortilla. Flour tortillas are perfect for soft tacos, quesadillas, burritos, and shawarma. As we all know, homemade tortilla is better than the store-bought tortillas. I will be leaving the ingredients on the description box below. So, let's start! In a bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, then mix well. Add 2 tablespoon oil and 2 cups of milk. Mix to form a dough. Knead for about 2 minutes. You can add milk if needed. After 2 minutes, it will become a smooth dough ball. Put the dough ball back into the bowl and cover it with kitchen towel for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, lightly floured your working table. Divide the dough balls into 12 equally balls. Rest the dough for 10 minutes. Come back on the floured surface and roll the dough ball one by one. Start rolling from the middle and push through onto the edge. Keep going until it rolls into a circle about 8 inches in diameter. Do this with the rest of the dough balls. Our homemade tortilla is done. You can now turn on your skillet on high heat. Cook tortilla in skillet about 1 minute on each side.